How to get backup code for two-step verification on Roblox. Hey everybody, if you're also wanting the backup code for Roblox, these are the methods you can follow up. So for that, you can open up your Roblox first in any of your devices, and once you are there, you can head over to the More tab in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you should be finding these options from the menu. So what you need to do is scroll down and locate the option that says settings from the menu. Once you are there, you should be finding different options available. So the next step, what you need to do is you need to head over to the option that says security, which is right under the account info section. So the security tab opens up here. And what you need to do in order to get the hardware security keys or different keys available, recovery codes available, you need to go ahead and first thing is turn on two-step verification. So just go ahead and do that. You can go ahead and use email or an authenticator app in order to generate a code. Once you have layered with the two-step verification, you can also look out for this option that says backup codes. After that is done, all you need to do is look out this option called backup codes. So go ahead and tap on this option that says generate. And when that is done, you need to enter up the code that has been sent to your email. Once you verify yourself, you should be given with the options of backup codes for yourself. So that is how you basically generate codes for yourself for two-step verification on your Roblox. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.